Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to answer the question, why does your Moto Buds 270 so quiet? Firstly, maybe you need to clean the grill. So just remove ear tips from your earbuds. And right here we have the grill. You can use a brush or toothbrush if you have a clean tool and just slightly clean it for the left and right earbuds. By the way, at this channel we have video how to clean these earbuds, so if you don't know how, you can check that video. Next, maybe the problem is your earbuds just too old and maybe you need to contact customer service. But if you have this problem only with the right earbud, I have one solution for you. It's not totally fixed, but it will help you so we can change audio balance. Firstly, I will show you how to do this on Apple device and then I will move to Android. But some Android phones have system what visually more similar to iOS, so maybe you need to check this part to find a similar path to these settings. Now, on your iPhone, open Settings, and then we need to go to Accessibility, what located under the General Settings. Enter into Accessibility, then scroll down, and in the hearing we have Audio and Visual line. Tap at this line, then scroll down, and right here we have Audio Balance. If you have the problem with the left earbud, you just move this dot to the left, but you need to find a good balance. We just increase the volume for the left earbud, but lower it for the right. If you use 100% on your left earbud, you will totally mute sound on your right earbud. And if you have this problem with the right earbud, you just move this dot to the right. But again, you need to find a good balance. And we just increase the volume for the right earbud, but lower it for the left earbud. And that's it for iOS. Now let's move to Android. On your Android, open Settings, and then we need to go to Accessibility. I have stock Android and right here it's located at the bottom in the settings. So we need to scroll down and enter into Accessibility. Now scroll down again, and at the bottom we will find Audio Adjustment. Right here we have it, also tap at this line, and here it is, Audio Balance. If you have the problem with the right earbud, you need to move this dot to the right, but you need to find a good balance. We just increase the volume for the right earbud, but lower it for the left earbud. If you use 100% on your right earbud, you will totally mute sound on your left earbud. If you have this problem with the left earbud, you need to move this dot to the left. It's the same, you need to find a good balance here, and we just increase the volume for the left earbud, but lower it for the right earbud. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!